The following movie is rated R.
So what's up, boys? Several days after Hurricane Helene, got a few projects I'm working on. We didn't even get a branch on the ground, really. No water, no damage whatsoever. But a mile away from here, it's a whole different story. One day before Hurricane Helene, we decided to take the pontoon boat out because we didn't know how much damage it was going to be. Must have latched on and we were going really slow. We're across from Shell Island.
Are those flamingos?
I don't know what it is. I thought it was something floating. Oh yeah, they're pink flamingos. Oh my god. Oh, there's just his tail. Dorsal fin, I guess. I was like, wow. Oh, there he is out of water again. Tipsy tarpon from the outside. Water side, I mean. What the heck is that thing? Looks like it says Little Hummer on it. The wind just started hitting us maybe half an hour ago. It's raining. Some pretty good wind gusts too. I can read some of your stuff. Take care. Yeah, thanks. We're holding up good here. Basically just started maybe half hour, 45 minutes ago. Hope that big pine tree doesn't come down. You can really hear the wind overhead howling by. Alright, now we just lost power. Saw a bunch of big arcs coming from this way. Guess we'll venture out in a Jeep. I don't think it was our transformer because everybody's out. Yeah, I still want to move to Florida. Hopefully that doesn't happen. What is that? Oh, garbage can.
Florida tumbleweed.
Heading towards 44 and Crystal River.
Bird dog, space wind over. Bird dog, space wind.
This will likely all be underwater
Oh,
tomorrow.
this will definitely be underwater tomorrow.
Get some sideways.
Then you get Crystal River.
Yeah, Roger. Bird dog, space wind. You're down 154.
See, there are a few people that drove around it already, so I don't have to worry too much about lines.
I do have the chainsaw in the bags, just in case. Boy, they got hit
looks like
good.
it got a little bit of a microburst.
I was gonna say, it looks like a microburst through here.
It's amazing. We're one block over from a crystal clear main road, and this.
Right. Yeah, something definitely came through here. Worse than where we are. We just crossed Citrus Avenue. That's a big one down up there.
Sorry.
I know.
Your yard.
Someone says driving Jeep like a Prius. We don't know if there's wires down, power lines. No. You take a right.
Yeah.
Oh, another one down. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh.
I guess we're not going that way either.
No.
It's a little soft there.
I guess. Well, here comes the wind gusts. Little floody.
Go slow in case it's salty.
I don't care. It'll get washed off.
Okay.
Don't know.
Could have snapped it, I guess. Big splash.
In the Bay Area.
Yeah. This is pretty incriminating in the video of me doing this, but
Wow, that's a deep one, huh?
yeah.
Well, you had to get the salt off. Winds weren't really terrible last night. I hear an airboat out in the distance, probably riding around Crystal River on the roads, rescuing maybe or checking houses, because I'm sure the surge is up pretty high. Nothing here yet. Still no power. Oh, my my gate sign. I swear, before the power went out, we saw arcing actually and heard it, but we thought it came from over here, but I don't think so. So no water in the back yet, which is typically what fills up back here when there's a lot of rain. Pontoon boat didn't float away. Pushed off a little piece of the skirt here. This is old too. What's up, buddy? So this piece next to me, there used to be a rundown trailer. Went up for auction, we tried to get it and we missed it. Everything looks good here. So the only thing that anybody has to worry about is the storm surge here. I don't think it's gonna reach us up here though. Like I said, we're 7 miles from the Gulf, 3 miles from Kings Bay. I don't know, 16, 17 foot above sea level, roughly. Yeah, don't look like any damage.
Sounds pretty close.
I know, that's what I was thinking. They gotta be driving around Crystal River. Burner thing, so I can warm up some of that percolated coffee I made yesterday. Here's Gizmo. I don't know how to unlock the rotation. It's stupid, it should just go. I guess I'll do it this way. I might have to take the back roads, huh?
Yeah.
Well, it didn't flood up to here.
It did.
It did. It's already gone.
Oh, it went back already?
Yeah.
Oh, it did flood to there. Gee. Crystal River. Those are like coolers or something. Definitely got flooded. That stinks. You guys want some free furniture and
Mattress.
bed and stuff? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's a problem on our road.
Climb up there and hit it.
Someone either pulled it or popped it. If it's pulled, maybe they're working on something. It looks like that transformer blew right there. Blew the top right off the insulator. Well, they gotta fix that before we get any power. Tree work. So if you're wondering how Gizmo made out through all this, he was sound asleep. A plane went down yesterday too, over by the Ford Island boat launch. I was gonna hurry up and jump on the bike and go over there because I heard it on a scanner. I guess it was a twin engine private plane, was fully engulfed. I know at least one person has expired from that, which sucks. Working on tire changer and balancer. That video will be coming out soon. But I figured today's a good day. It's nice and sunny. Take the KPX250 out. First Florida ride. And we'll cruise around and see what damage is left. Looks like we got hit real light compared to a lot of people up in the mountains in Tennessee and that. I did not bring my drone. I might have to air down a little bit. I don't know if you guys are watching my live, but man, that last one I did was horribly pixelated. It had to be because everybody was probably using a cell tower, so it made it just terrible. It wasn't even watchable. Sorry about that. There was a few things you could watch. Keep skipping ahead until I got better signal. Yeah, my first day I got down here, there's a motorhome stuck in the mud. Well, it's still there. We'll take a ride over there. Yeah, my tires are way too hard for the sand. It's cutting right into it. That's it. He must have just pulled in and floored it. Thought he was gonna make it. See, you think somebody would have come and pulled him out. There is no plate on this. All the doors are open, windows are open. I don't know. You're gonna have a tough time pulling him out. I'm not going through that. This thing has maybe 60-40 tires. I'm not playing in the mud. get to it from this way. Yeah, this should be a great bike for Florida. Give me more opportunity to drive the DRZ when I'm in Connecticut. One of those little Grom style bikes are going to come down here too eventually, and I think it's going to be Whitey. The Condor has a lot more torque, having that CG250 engine. Nice blinker. So having a torque up north in the mountains, definitely much more needed than down here, where it's mostly flat. One thing I don't like about this bike, I mean, the mirrors are far enough out, I don't like the looks of these round mirrors. I'd like to have them more sporty, kind of like the Hawk has. I think would look better on here, but it's not an important thing, so maybe someday I'll change them. Armadillo, road fling armadillo. I have to ride with Brad on this because, like I said, when I first bought this, it reminds me of my CRF 250, but I like to see the difference in performance because this does feel a lot like that CRF 250. Let him take it for a ride and see what he thinks too. Maybe do a race, even though I'm a little fatter, of course. Yeah, this bike cruises 55, 60 effortlessly. Nice having that 6-speed gearbox. Definitely my favorite China bike. Can't wait till someone comes out with the mapping on the computer on this, squeak a little more horsepower out of it, because it's definitely capable. Now this Northeast Crystal Street, I believe, but look at these guys. Like I say, this is a mile away from my house. All these people got hit hard. All these side roads, they were flooded. There's a doggy. These roads were completely shut off because there was flooding. Look at these poor people. This road was covered in water for days. Even the school over there was flooded. Highest water level from that surge in 100 years, I heard. They got hit pretty hard. Like I say, this was literally 1 mile from my house. The wife and I took the e-bikes out on these roads last time we went out. The high school didn't get flooded, the middle school did. The water covered this road all the way up to Turkey Oak, which is where we turn to go to my house. A lot of businesses are back online now. Granny's was back online the next day. We'll see if King's Marine is open. It was blocked off. They got swamped pretty good down there too, of course, because they're right on Kings Bay, which is about 5 miles from the Gulf. But of course, you know, it was a storm surge, all that water that got pushed up in there. The Wawa is $3.15 a gallon. What's it at where you guys are? Cheapest I saw down here, I think, was $2.98. It's happy people, happy, joy. Yeah, these people got hit pretty hard, of course, because they're closer to the water. Geez, right after the storm, you could see the people coming and picking up metal, anything that was metal. That road's still closed. Martin's. Looks like they're back open. Geyer's Ice Cream. Looks like they're still working on their stuff. Three Sisters Spring Trail I'm on. We did a little circle. Kayak rental place. Apparently, I never knew. Still getting their houses in. Never flooded. 9.8 certified. Well, it looks like they kind of flooded then. Maybe. That guy's hood's loose. Three Sister Springs in there. Wonder how the manatee's made out. Yeah, see these guys? They just go around and pick up all the metal. Oh, looks like the cones are gone. They're open. Yeah, it looks like they got flooded, the parking lot anyway. Some boats are back out. Low tide. Bunch of new condos they're still working on. I guess you could see why they want houses on stilts here now. Flooding's not a new thing, living by the water. But there wasn't so many houses back then. They were more like little fishing cabins and shacks years ago, and then people started building. Now there's a lot more money involved. Everybody's ripping their sheetrock out so it doesn't get mold in the walls. Let it dry out. Man, there's a big Hyatt going in there. My God, you gotta see it. There goes the neighborhood. This road was flooded pretty good. I shouldn't even need to say that. This whole area was underwater, a couple feet. I mean, you can see how high that house is. It still got up in there, so the water was as high as the foundation of that house. I did buy a bigger generator, one of those Champion 9750 peak watt 7500 continuous, because I figure if I buy it, that'll run the whole house, and since I bought it, we'll never get another hurricane. On sale, Rural King for $8.99. It's the backside of the tornado ridden little offices there. A lot of new construction around here. I moved here because it was a little quaint old Florida style town, and in the last 5 years it's been getting developed a lot. I guess I did too. I added a house, the plantation. We're gonna sneak out to the beach. Might get in trouble. If someone stops me, I'll say, "It's okay! I'm a YouTuber." Woo! Got her up to 70, boys. 5-0. Another one. Plane crashes right up here, going into the boat ramp. Oh, it is blocked off. Well, guess we're not allowed in there. FAA must be there. Oh well. See if we can get in by the beach. Anyway, I got some pictures off Facebook to show you guys. So, the best I can do. Maybe after a couple days I can go see where it was. Yeah, I can't wheelie. Shrimp's Landing. Even with all these mangroves and marshes, you still get that surge. Oh man. Guess I don't want no one in there. Thought I'd be able to go down there. Nope. Sorry guys. I tried. I did see someone did some drone aerials. If I had my good drone, I could have flown it from here. I'll pull some of them, put them up so you can see what it looks like. See, I knew I should have got that Avata drone. Wanted it for my birthday. I didn't get it. This little drone only works off the distance of Wi-Fi, so it'd be worthless. It's telling me to burn out or do a wheelie. I can't do either. Let's see how these guys made out. So living on the water isn't all what it's cracked up to be. All I want is a piece of property on the water, or like a little fishing cabin. Something that I don't even have to really insure, just a property. And a storm comes in and you just clean up when it's gone. Eventually, if I sell the house up in Connecticut, I might pick up a piece of property right on one of the channels. If it's even affordable by then. Picking up their metal, scrap it and make a little bit of money. sail. I don't know what that's gonna be. Good old Granny's. Closed today. I forgot to bring down all the oil filters I bought for this. Next trip. I don't think I'll get 1,000 miles on it. Did the break-in oil at about 100 miles, so figured 1,000 miles I'll change it again. Then about 3,000 I think I'll put synthetic. That's nice. Free food and water. It looks like they got hit as hard up here as the last time. They definitely got some. Well, not as bad as a tornado, that's for sure. Oh yeah, they did get hit pretty good. Some of those houses have stuff outside. Oh yeah, they did get flooded here pretty good. This is a little over a mile from the house. Yeah, the water was up to here. Covered the road right here. So the KOA is completed, and there was a lot of people in there. They evacuated for the storm, of course, but a lot of people came back. Yeah, honestly, the wind wasn't even that bad that night of the hurricane. You can hear it going over the trees, but nothing direct hit on the house, which is why I like trees, although they can break and fall on the house. Our power did go out during that storm, but just about under 24 hours it came back on. I think a transformer blew down the road. Kind of looked like it. It looks like that transformer blew right there. Blew the top right off the insulator. Definitely gotta let some air out. So I got wheel weights and a bunch of other stuff coming in. Put some new shoes on the Jeep. 85,000 miles I got on those tires, and they are about due. Sorry I didn't make it to the 2 spots. That was my highlight destinations. That's it for today, boys. Thanks for watching. That's right.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on motocheez.com. Thanks for watching.